the least I can say is do not lose your hope. It's by the end of a day, it's just an exam, and this is something which all the instructors told me, that do not just lose your heart. It's just an exam. All you need to do is just to focus on the weak areas, and that's it. And while you preparing by yourself, you do not really understand. As I just mentioned earlier, you do not have a clear idea that which areas do I have to improve. So focus on the areas, save your time. It's not about playing hard, it's about playing smart.
Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, very excited to have one of the most dedicated student with me, Ahmed. He has cleared his PT exam, 8 each in PT, and you have done it within a month and a half, I'll say, right, Ahmed?
A month, I would say.
You came here, I remember you told me, so I've left my job and I'm on to PT for the next 1 month. When you came here, you were standing on 70s, and now you've got 90s, and you've got 8 each in each and every section. What do you think was the difference when you prepared here and went for the exam as compared to your previous attempts?
Well, first of all, I would like to thank Language Academy for providing their extensive help throughout this journey. Um, Without any doubt, I would say this would not have been possible without all the mentors which I met over here. One-to-one feedback, pointing out your mistakes at the right time, and giving feedback promptly was something which was missing when I was preparing for myself. And I believe when a person was preparing without any assistance or guidance from the professionals, you tend to you unable to identify the weak areas where you are actually missing, and which areas you need to point out, or which areas you need to focus more. And I think Language Academy was all about this, and that's how it
So
actually
basically, you had the right direction this time and you knew what mistakes you were making, right? It's very important, guys. You know what mistake you're making and where you're going wrong, because normally what happens is we do everything correct as per our knowledge. And when we go for the exam, when you come out of the exam, you feel like you have done everything perfect and you should get the score. But when you see you don't get the score because you are doing what you think is right, but that is not actually what the computer is looking for. Very important, you follow the right guidelines, strategies, and work accordingly. Ahmed, listening is one section which you were a bit scared about in the beginning, but after that it was your strength, right? You even got 19 listening. What do you think is important for listening?
well, in the listening, there's one important task which comes right at the very end, and it is that point of time when you are literally exhausted in your test. I'm talking about r- right from dictation, WTF. So unfortunately, in the first attempt when I appeared, when I was preparing for myself, I did not exactly know how to write it. Although it seems quite easy that you listen to an audio and you just write it, but it's not that. Sometimes the mistakes that you make is about singular or plural. You do not really know what the examiner said. Was it a single word or a multiple words? So after coming here, after joining the academy, and after having a discussion with the mentors, and with extensive working on this area, I tried to figure this out, that okay, I can do it.
So basically, you knew that what are the things you need to work on, because
Exactly.
there are around 11 tasks which are going to contribute towards your listening section. And if you're not really sure which one to focus on, which one not, things can be difficult. Because generally, we see students when they prepare by themselves, they focus too much on MCQs as well. And that is one mistake. You need to make sure you focus more on things which are going to reward you in a better manner. Reading was one section again, which we were struggling a bit. I remember you missed by 1 point in reading last time, right? 78 in reading. What do you think is important for reading, and what was the secret behind reading this attempt?
Well, that was certainly heartbreaking for me when I missed this by just 1 mark, 78. And I have literally lost the hope that I'll have the courage to reappear in the exam. The reason was I was doing the fill in the blanks without reading the entire passage. Sometimes it is important when the time is short that you skim read, but even when you are skim read the text, you must know the understanding what the text is all about. Skimming without knowing and then randomly putting the words into the blanks is something which I was initially doing because I was unable to manage the time. But then after coming here, and after after having assistance from the moderators and from you, they told me that at least try to read a few lines before and few lines after the fill in the blanks, so that you can have a clear or vivid idea that what the fill in the blanks or what the text is all about. And this is what I did in this attempt, and the rest was history, I would say.
That's right. That's right. So it's not just about reading the word or two words before the blank, it's more about understanding the context and reading with that intention that yes, you have to understand the context as well. It's not like you're reading and not getting anything out of it. You have to make sure that whatever you read with that focus that yes, I have to understand the passage and I have to make sure that by the end of this passage or this blank, I need to understand what they're talking about, and that way with your instinct itself you'll get the right answer.
Exactly.
Ahmed, any final piece of advice for students out there? You've taken a number of mock tests, I remember, a number of reading practice sessions. Any advice for students out there who are standing on 70, they think they can't do it, right? They're not really sure how to do it, or they've lost all the hopes. Any advice for them, please?
Well, the least I can say is do not lose your hope. It's by the end of a day, it's just an exam, and this is something which all the instructors told me, that do not just lose your heart. It's just an exam. All you need to do is just to focus on the weak areas, and that's it. And while you preparing by yourself, you do not really understand. As I just mentioned earlier, you do not have a clear idea that which areas do I have to improve. Suppose if you are strong in speaking and you are kept on spending a lot of time on speaking, although it will improve, it will help your with you speaking, but the rest of the sections would be totally ignored. So focus on the areas, save your time. It's not about playing hard, it's about playing smart. That's the least I would say.
That's right. That's right. One thing which I personally believe is that what he said, it's not about working hard, it's more about working in a smart manner. PT is like a game, I'll say, right? You've got 20 things, but you just need to focus on 10 things. If you focus on 10 things, that is going to give you the reward. If you focus on each and everything, you won't be able to pay attention to everything, and things can be difficult at that time. Very important, you work in a smart manner, work and focus on things where you're going wrong, which will reward you better, and spend less time on things which are not so important. And as he said, if you're struggling in one part, focus more on that, but don't just focus on it, because if you're just focusing on one thing, you will ignore other parts. And that is the case with a lot of students, that they work on one thing, next time they'll get 90 in that and they'll miss out in the other sections, right? Very important we balance each and everything and focus on each and every task in your PT exam. That's it from this video. Thank you for coming. Really
Thank you.
appreciate it. You are one of such persons I've seen. You have given a lot. You have always been patient with us whenever we were busy. Thanks for that. Really appreciate it.
Pleasure.
All the best for your future.
Thank you.
That's it from this video, guys. Make sure you keep on practicing. Take some guidance and inspiration from him. Do not lose hope. Give your 100%, and you are going to get your